keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream. It gets so toxic to me. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep I get real about it all when I'm alone. It's so crazy missing you when I get on. Down Julio make me fulfill. And I might hit your phone up with that rah-rah-rah. Missing my da-da-da. Missing that
Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you are not new, welcome back. Today I have an exciting video for you all. Today in this video, as you can see in the intro, I am going to be using the new Strawberry Shortcake X Honeydew Cosmetics collection. This collection includes 4 palettes with 4 different characters, which are Strawberry Shortcake, Orange Blossom, Huckleberry Pie, and Lemon Meringue. And also another thing about these palettes, they all are scented based on the name of the palettes as well. I will be doing a look using the Huckleberry palette, which is the blue one. I'm also going to be using another palette along with this, being that there's certain shades that aren't in the Huckleberry palette that I need from the previous palette, as you can see right now. I'm going to let you all watch the video. I will probably pop up with a few voiceovers. But thank you so much for the support on all my social medias, including YouTube. I know I'm not as consistent with my videos, but I am going to try to be as consistent as I can. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also click the notification bell to get notified every time I post. And also follow me on all my social medias as well. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
She doesn't ever worry. If she wants it, she'll get it on her own. If she knows there's more to life and she's scared of ending up alone. But you want something there. But you want something there for her. But you want something there. Someone to throw, get her right along. But you want something there. But you want something there for her. But
I'm not sure how much the brand is charging for each palette, but as I saw on social media, they are up for pre-orders. So if you guys want to order, I will leave their website down below in the description box if you guys want to purchase them. Multiple times. There are some new products that I have been using in my routine, but my routine is basically the same that it's been since I posted my updated base routine back in November, I believe. So it's the same thing, it's just different products this time being used.
She just talking, he's still in Vegas. He's still in Vegas. He's still in Vegas.
Girl, I get the money with you, make you mine, oh. If you loving every night, you make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. But I love you, plus I never make you mine, oh.
Thank you all so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up, comment, share with a friend, family member, and also don't forget to follow all my socials like I mentioned before, and I will see you all in the next tutorial.
How does it feel to be? Feel like the feeling of a suppress. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it rest. Feel it's the season of